Today's episode of Under 2 Minutes, we will be covering two tools. These two tools are the Direct Selection tool, Keybind A, and the Selection tool, Keybind V. Now, previously we talked about the Zoom tool and the Hand tool and how it was used to manipulate and maneuver your way around the page. These two tools are used to manipulate objects within the page. So, let me show you what I mean. The Selection tool, like I said, Keybind V, is used to move one or more objects around the page. So you can just click and drag. Very, very simple. It's also used to redo the sizing, anywhere from lowering the height, adjusting the width, dragging it out diagonally. But as you can see, it's pulling it semi-uniformly with both edges where I'm grabbing. Let me show you what the Direct Selection tool now does. This tool lets you choose specific points or paths, and by points I mean anchors. That's what they call the little corners, the points. They are anchors, so you can choose your own anchor and just manipulate that one with Direct Select. So I've chosen the right corner. I can pull this inward and make this line diagonal, just that line. Now I can go to the other corner and pull that in as well. So the Direct Selection tool lets you manipulate specific parts of a shape. Now say I want to pull this path down. All I do is click with Direct Selection and pull. Very simple and easy, and those two tools are going to help you master Illustrator and really bring your shapes to life.